Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start buying tickets for certain events in your local area, or maybe you're traveling out of town to actually see an event and you want to purchase tickets via Ticketmaster. Either way, guys, Ticketmaster is a reputable company. It's used by thousands and hundreds of thousands of people. Now, the way to actually sign up for Ticketmaster, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Let's head on over to Ticketmaster.com. And then from here, you want to click on this sign in/register button. So once you click on this, you can actually go ahead and click on sign up again, which is over here. This page right here allows you to actually sign into Ticketmaster once you actually have an account. But go ahead and click on sign up. And then here you would actually just enter your email, password, first name, last name. So we're just going to create a dummy account really quickly. So next you want to click on next. And then from here, you need to verify your email and phone number. So both are required in order for you to use Ticketmaster. So you need to add and verify your phone number, and then you need to verify your email. But once you go ahead and do those two prompts, you should be able to actually go ahead and have a Ticketmaster account. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign up for Ticketmaster. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.